In this video, I'm going to give you the answer to task 7. And in this case, I have again selected one of my systematic literature review papers, and I have analyzed the different sentence structures for the prior literature review. So as I build up on these 3 different papers that I have written, you can see the various sentence styles that I have used, and this will form a guide for you on how you can write your prior literature review section. So I have broken down this section again sentence by sentence. It is here in the description of this video and also on my website vidypotdar.com. So do check that out, and I hope you are following me with these simple activities to help you complete your systematic literature review paper. All right, all the best, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.